In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen on Webex. This is an essential skill for those who regularly engage in virtual meetings, be it for business, education, or any other collaborative effort. Let's make sure that every participant can see exactly what you want to share, step by step. First off, you need to launch the Webex desktop app on your computer. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to do so from the official Webex website. Once you have it up and running, log in using your credentials. Webex provides a straightforward interface, allowing you to navigate effortlessly, readying you for any meeting situation. Next, you'll either join a meeting you're invited to or start one of your own. This will depend on whether you're hosting the meeting or simply participating. Once you're inside the meeting room, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Along the bottom of your meeting window, you will find several functional icons. Among these, you'll spot the Share button, which is key to the entire screen sharing process. Click that Share button. This action will open up a variety of options for you to decide precisely how you want to share content with your meeting attendees. If you choose Screen, the people in your meeting will view your entire desktop. This is particularly useful when you need to switch between multiple applications or browsers without stopping your sharing session. However, if you want to focus your participants' attention on a specific application, Webex allows you to select that particular program from a list. This ensures that only the selected window is visible to others, making your presentation clearer and more professional by eliminating unnecessary distractions from other open apps or files. If you're working with multiple monitors, Webex has you covered there too. You can select which screen you'd like to share, allowing you to set up one monitor for your presentation and use the other to keep track of your meeting notes or other private information. Aside from sharing your screen or applications, you have other creative options at your fingertips. You can choose to share a file, which is helpful for direct document collaboration, or initiate a new whiteboard session, perfect for brainstorming ideas in real time. When your presentation or collaboration time is over, ending your screen share is just as simple as starting it. Locate the Stop Sharing button on the floating control bar. Alternatively, you can also find this option in the red status bar at the top of your screen. Clicking this button stops the screen share, returning the focus to the regular meeting view. With these straightforward steps, you can effectively share your screen on Webex, enhancing clarity and improving collaboration in your meetings. Happy presenting!